Australian poetry is a form of expression that has had a profound impact on culture and identity in Australia. Since its introduction in the 1800s, Australian poetry has incorporated multiple themes such as national identity, mateships, and egalitarianism. With the intelligent use of literary techniques such as personification, alliteration, and hyperboles, Australian poetry has left a noticeable mark in the history of poetry. The poems that will be analysed are Australia, Hay Fever, and Drought. The collection of poems discuss one of the many aspects that distinguishes Australia from other countries, its vast and breathtaking landscape. Australian landscape, involving dazzling terrain such as tropical rainforests, deserts, and rivers, is known globally to be a primary reason of its prosperity. A.D. Hope's Hay Fever is a poem that directly addresses the uncertainty of a person's death. The poem uses an irregular structure which gave Hope freedom to utilize and modify line lengths as well as the ability to interchange between double rhymes and single rhymes. In the opening of the poem, A.D. Hope compares time to a skilled laborer assigned with the task of assassination or a grim reaper, which emphasizes the inevitability of death. A.D. Hope then uses the quote, as if I were time himself, to compare his experience of being last in a row of harvesters, as he was able to correct himself when he made poor strokes or couldn't keep up with others. Hope then proceeded to explain the memories of a Tasmania summer and utilized the weed and flowers he cut with his neighbors to symbolize life and death. Hope effortlessly adds dimension to the poem by using a multitude of language techniques such as personification and similes. Through this, Hope can skillfully make comparisons to different events while also maintaining the ability to leave a message. In conclusion, Hay Fever is a poem which makes the use of its uncommon structure to emphasize the precariousness of death. The informal structure provides Hope with the liberty to manipulate line lengths and rhyme schemes, allowing him to convey the inevitability of death while also exploring the nuances of life. Through vivid comparisons and rich symbolism, Hope takes the reader on a journey through the seasons of life and the passage of time, ultimately leaving us with a profound message about the fragility of existence. Hay Fever is a testament to the poet's mastery of his craft and his ability to capture the essence of the human experience in the face of mortality.